Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable robot with a cool screen and colorful buttons. Isn't it so much fun? Let's start by drawing the robot's head and body. Grab your pencil and let's begin. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Start by coloring the robot's body blue and the screen yellow. The arms and legs should be silver, and the buttons on the body can be red and yellow. Don't forget the little antenna on the top of the robot's head, color that red. You're doing great! Keep coloring! Look at that! A robot is all finished, and it looks amazing! You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings. Hi, little artists! Today we're going to draw and color this super cute bear rowing a boat. Isn't he adorable? Let's start by drawing the boat and the bear's body. Grab your pencil, and let's begin. Now it's time to color. Start by coloring the bear's fur brown, and the boat can be a nice wood brown color. The water should be blue, and the oars should be orange. You can also color the bear's nose and cheeks. Keep going. You're doing awesome. Look at that! Our bear in the boat is all finished, and he looks ready to row away. You did such an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings.